Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Basecamp account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you recover a deleted project in Basecamp? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to recover a project in your trash can with Basecamp anyway? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably work with a lot of coworkers or assistants, and sometimes projects get deleted accidentally. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Basecamp account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Basecamp, and this is the home screen. Now here in the home screen, if you want to recover a deleted project in Basecamp, you're going to click on this gray admin land button here on the top right. It's right below your initials. Once you do that, you're going to see this drop down menu, and you just want to scroll down until you see this little trash can logo. Next to it, it says view everything in the trash. Okay, once you do that, they do let you know that everything is permanently deleted after 25 days once it's put in the trash. So hopefully you catch the project before it's permanently deleted. If so, it's going to show up right here in the pending trashed project. So for example, this one right here, if you want to recover it, just click on the project. All right, once you do that, it's going to show the project right here. And in order to recover it or restore it, click right here on the top. There's a blue button here called restore it. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see the project has been restored. So you can go back here to the home button. Okay, once you do that, it's going to show the project right here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to recover or restore a project in your Basecamp, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.